Green Computing Solution, ITI Smart Series, a Make in India Green Computing Initiative. ITI Limited, India's first public sector unit. Want to go green? Go smart. Want to go smart? Go solar. The energy requirement for computing purposes is increasing day by day. According to the Semiconductor Industry Association, the energy demands for computers will exceed world's energy demands by 2040. India contributes to around 3.3 million tons of e-waste, out of which 70% is generated from computers. India is the fourth highest carbon dioxide emitter in the world. Traditional desktop computers versus micro PC. Traditional desktop computers with moving parts consumes up to 150 watts against 35 watts by micro PC. Smash PC offers a whopping 80% energy efficiency as certified by the Energy Management Center compared to the traditional desktop PC. The use of an eco-friendly product can reduce e-waste volume and save a lot of space. While desktops need dedicated spaces, this Smash PC with a compact design can be easily mounted behind the monitor. Higher performance, low heat dissipation, and features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, dual display are unique to Smash PC. Heavy-duty aluminum body with fin construction for efficient heat dissipation will ensure 24 hours continuous operation. Integrated solar photovoltaic online UPS. To further reduce the dependency on the energy from fossil fuels, ITI Limited has developed an integrated solar PV online UPS where solar power is directly regulated and fed to the critical IT loads. This is a disruptive innovation with near-zero conversion loss. ITI has leveraged the latest battery technology, lithium iron phosphate, which ensures longer life cycle and hence fewer replacements. Traditional UPS versus integrated solar PV online UPS. The traditional UPS with longer backup demands additional investment for battery as well as for battery replacement in third year. It also occupies more space and is mostly accommodated in the pantry, corridors or near washrooms. These are against safety guidelines as well as hazardous to the employees. In a traditional UPS, there are multiple levels of AC-DC AC conversions and 20% to 30% energy is lost in these conversions. Integrated solar PV online UPS saves space as well as eliminates hazardous e-waste from the battery and UPS. It significantly contributes to the reduction in carbon emission. Consistent power backup ensures near-zero downtime by leveraging the three-stage power backup system: solar power, grid current, and battery. Intelligent microprocessor ensures lesser duty cycles, longer battery life, and minimal energy loss. World's first full-fledged green computing solution. Now we move on to the total green computing world with low energy consumption, high performance Smash PC and smart power station. The Central Computing Facility at Kannur University is a green computing initiative which is a part of the Make in India program. This facility at Kannur University has been installed using Smash PC and Smart Power Station manufactured by ITI Limited, Palakkad.
ഇതിനുള്ളൊരു പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട മേന്മ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ട്രഡീഷണൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ള UPSകൾ നമുക്ക് ഒരുപാട് പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ അത് ഒഴിവാക്കിക്കൊണ്ട് പൂർണ്ണമായിട്ടും ഒരു സോളാർ പവർ സ്റ്റേഷൻ ആണ് ഇതിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് വിഭാവനം ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഈ പവർ സ്റ്റേഷൻ ഉപയോഗിച്ചുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇത് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അതായത് ഡേ ടൈമിൽ പൂർണ്ണമായിട്ട് നേരിട്ട് സോളാറിന് എടുക്കും. അതിനുശേഷം നമുക്ക് ഇതിനെ ഒരു ഭാഗം നമുക്കിവിടെ സോളാർ UPSൽ ഇത് സ്റ്റോർ ചെയ്യപ്പെടും. അപ്പോൾ എന്ത് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് ഗ്രിഡിൽ നിന്ന് പവർ എടുക്കേണ്ട സമയം എപ്പോഴെങ്കിലും വളരെ ദുർലഭമായിട്ട് മാത്രമേ അത്തരമൊരു സിറ്റുവേഷൻസ് വരാറുള്ളൂ.
Project details. Central computing facility with 53 computers. Fully powered from solar panel, 12 numbers of 325 watts each. Power backup is available for up to 2 hours in the absence of solar and grid power. A case study is made for 53 Smash PCs installed at the lab with a comparison to the traditional desktop implementation. A normal desktop machine consumes an average of 150 watts per system. In this scenario, ITI Smash Micro PC consumes an average of 35 watts with monitor, which accounts to 1855 watts for 53 systems. With this, the total energy cost for micro PC combined with solar power is rupees 40,583 compared to rupees 10,52,520 for the traditional desktop PC with online UPS deployment. This also implies a total energy saving of 1,44,562 units and hence a reduction of 102 metric tons of carbon from this deployment of 53 systems.
In the case of micro PC, e-waste is very low, then performance is also high. We are installed Ubuntu Linux operating system here, so that virus is completely free.
Smash PC in combination with the Smart Power Station becomes the first initiative in the world to propagate total green computing. Smash Solution is a total green computing initiative contributing to a much greener and brighter world.